Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. We are back again with the second Sudoku or puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 2nd, 2021. I've already solved one puzzle, a 3-star Sudoku. Now it's time for the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle for you, boys and girls. And this one will be number, let me see which number it will be, 3481. 3481. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means this, in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Then double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first O, the second O, and third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. Then 3. Well, 3 O's we have here in the second row. If I place the O here, then we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. So here we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Okay. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah, we need to compare this 3 rows. Let me see. Do we have a double one here? This is almost the same. Okay. Then. Let me see. O10. We have O10 here. No. O11. Whoa. Yeah. This column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes a 1. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second column, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow! Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.